Good morning children, or 6th class. 6th class subject science. Subject science. Today I am going to explain you page number 10. Page number 10 we have 4th lesson. The lesson name is what do animals eat? What do animals eat? Animals ante జంతువులు కదా. So eat అంటే తినడం. What are the eating habits of the animals? So this lesson I already explained up to where page number 30 beta, not 10, page number 30. So in the previous video I explained what is the food of animals and next how they will find the food. No. So now I am going to explain you how they will collect the food. Okay. So ఇంత ముందు మనము వీడియోలో ఏం చెప్పాను, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద యానిమల్స్ యొక్క ఫుడ్ హ్యాబిట్ ఏంటి, అన్ని యానిమల్స్ ఒకే రకమైన ఫుడ్ తింటుందా లేదు కదా. సో దాని గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. అండ్ హౌ దే విల్ ఫైండ్ ద ఫుడ్, యానిమల్స్కి ఫుడ్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకుంటారో ఎలా వెతుక్కుని తింటాయి అనేది చెప్పాను. సో ఇప్పుడు టుడే నౌ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ కలెక్టింగ్ ఫుడ్, హౌ దే విల్ కలెక్ట్ ద ఫుడ్, అవి ఎలా తీసుకుంటాయి మరి ఫుడ్ని. ఓకేనా. సో నా గో టు ద లెసన్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 33. Finding food is one thing, but collecting or capturing it is quite another. Many animals have specialized body parts such as mouth parts, hand or feet that help them collect their food most efficiently. So how we will eat the food? By using our hands and by using our mouth. Yes or no children? Like that only some animals take the food by the other body parts. అంటే కొన్ని యానిమల్స్ ఏమో ఒక్కొక్క బాడీ పార్ట్ని అవి చూస్ తీసుకుంటాయి ఫుడ్ని. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సమ్ యానిమల్స్ ఈట్ ద ఫుడ్ బై ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ hands, by the help of their mouth parts. And some birds, if you are seeing a bird, how they will eat by using a beak. Yes or no? Beak అంటే ఏంటి, ముక్కులాగా ఉండేటటువంటి ఆర్గాన్. సో animals కొన్ని అలా తింటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టేక్ ఫర్ a frog, what is how the frog will collect the food, how the frog will take the food by using its tongue. And next lizard also, lizard means balli, how the lizard will take the food by using its tongue. Yes or no children? So like that all animals should not use their all body parts to take the food. Different animals use different parts of bodies to take the or to collect the food. Okay now, for example here are given some pictures. First picture is cow. How the cow is eating by using its mouth. Next here butterfly, how the butterfly will taking the food from the flowers by the sucking tubes లాగా ఉంటాయి మౌత్కి, ఆ సకింగ్ ట్యూబ్స్తోని పీల్చడం, సకింగ్ అంటే పీల్చడం. నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్రాగ్, how the frog is taking the food by its tongue. No. Next bird, how it is taking the food by using its beak. Next squirrel, how the squirrel is eating by using its hands and by using its mouth parts. Yes or no? Next lion, how it is eating the food by using its mouth. Okay na. And by using its claws also. Claws అంటే ఏంటి, పంజా, కాళ్ళకు ఉండేటటువంటి ఇట్లా 5 పంజాలా ఉంటాయి కదా. సో వాటిని క్లౌస్ అంటారు అనమాట. సో డిఫరెంట్ యానిమల్స్ యూజ్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ బాడీ పార్ట్ టు కలెక్ట్ ద ఆర్ టు ఈట్ ద ఫుడ్. నౌ నెక్స్ట్ గో టు ద పేజ్ నెంబర్ 34. Here activity 2 is given. In the list given table 3 we write the body parts of animals that are used to collect or capture the food. So here is given table 3, page number 34. Here we have table 3. In this table 3, first column is serial number, second column is animal name, and third column you have to fill. What is the third column? Body parts used to taking the food. Which animal? Here are given some animals names, no? So you have to write the by using which part such animals will take the food. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి యానిమల్స్ని ఫుడ్ తినడానికి ఏ బాడీ పార్ట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాయి అనేది మీరు రాయాలి. ఫస్ట్ animal is what na? Hen. First animal is hen. So hen use beak to take the food and claws. Claws అంటే ఏంటి, హ్యాండ్స్, హెన్కి 2 hands, లెగ్స్ అయినా హ్యాండ్స్ అయినా ఒకటే కదా. సో వాటి గోర్లు ఉంటాయి కదా ముందుకి, వాటిని క్లాస్ అంటారు అన్నమాట. సో how the hen will take the food by using its beak and by using its claws. And next second animal is cow. How the cow will take the food? organs helps the cow to take the food? Teeth to chew the food. Chew ante namladam. Teeth will help to chew the food, and the tongue also. Tongue will move the food here and there, left to right to left. Okay. So what is the body parts cow will use to take the food? Teeth and tongue. Next animal is dog. How the dog will eat the food? By using its teeth. And how the dog will drink the milk? By using its tongue. By using its tongue, the dog will lick the milk. Yes or no? So the two body parts the dog will use. One is the tongue. When it is taking the liquid food, it will use the tongue, and when it is taking the solid food, the dog will use the teeth. And next, fourth animal is frog. How the frog will take the food? By using its tongue. నాలుకతో. నాలుక పైన స్టిక్కీగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ నాలుక కొంచెం పొడుగైన సాగి ముందు వెళ్ళేటటువంటి ఇన్సెక్ట్ ని క్యాచ్ చేసి స్వాలో మింగేస్తుంది. నమ్మడం ఏమి ఉండదు, మింగేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ animal is snake. Snake. Which body parts helps to take the food in snake? One is mouth and body. And next go for next animal. Sixth one, man. Man means we are the human beings, or men or women. We will take the food with the help of our hands, and we will eat the food with the help of our mouth. Okay na? These are the some animals. And next seventh one is lizard. Lizard use its tongue to take the food. Vulture use the beaks and claws to take the food. Lion use legs, claws and mouth. Three body parts it will use to take the food. Hummingbird birds anyways birds all use to take the food, beaks only, no? So like that hummingbird also use the beak to take the food. This is the table 3. Next, look at the table 3 and answer. Here are some questions are there related to table 3. By seeing this table 3, you have to write these answers of the questions. What is the first question? Which animal use similar parts in taking food? Here are some 10 animals are there. No? So in the 10 animals, which is the common organ, common body part to take the food? Like tongue will use, the dog will use the tongue, and frog also use the tongue, and lizard also use the tongue. So tongue is the common body part to take the common body part that helps to take the food in the animals and human beings also. Next, compare the parts of the dog to the hen. Note down similarities as well as differences observed by you. So first you have to observe the body parts of the hen and observe the body parts that will helps to take the food in dog. You observe this hen and dog. What are the differences are there? A lot of differences are there, no? Hen will use the beak and claws, but dog will use the tongue and teeth. Both lot of differences are there. Any similarities are there? Mean any same body parts are there? No, there is nothing similarity by comparing the dog and the hen. So like this, you have to write the answer these questions to following by the table 3. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఆన్సర్ మీరు టేబుల్ 3 చూస్తూ మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. Next topic, you will see the same part may be used in different ways by different animals. For example, tongue may be used by dogs and different manner as compared to frog. Some animals use same body part, but the food habits are different. For example, dog and frog. Frog how will take the food? By using its tongue. And next, dog how it will take the food? By using its tongue. Body parts are same, but food habit is different. Why? What is the food of a frog? Insects. Next, what is the food of a dog? It will drink the milk and it will eat the flesh. So same body parts using this frog and dog, but the food habits are different. Next, also different parts may be used to take in the same type of food. Like hens use their beaks to pick insects, while frogs use their tongue to for the same purpose. And next, here in the first we learn differences between food habit, but the organs are same. Next time I am going to explain for same food habit, but they are using the different organs. అంటే ఫుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ వచ్చి సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ బాడీ పార్ట్స్ అవి తీసుకునేటటువంటి బాడీ పార్ట్స్ వేరేగా ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హెన్ అండ్ ఫ్రాగ్ Take hen and frog. Hen will eat the insects that present in the soil, and frog eat the insects. Hen and frog both eating habit is same, but hen is taking the insects from the soil by using its beak, and frog is taking the insect as a food by using its tongue. No, first I explained same body part, but food habits are different. Now I'm explaining same food habits, but taking the such animals by using their different body parts. Okay. Next, the same part in the similar group of animals may be used in way that can be largely different. For example, beaks of different birds are used to eat different types of food. Some animals they will use the same organ to take the food, but the organ shape and size are the different. అంటే కొన్ని బర్డ్స్ చూడండి, బర్డ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా బీక్ హెల్ప్తోనే ఫుడ్ని తీసుకుంటాయి, కానీ బీక్ యొక్క షేప్ సైజ్ అనేది బర్డ్కి వేరేగా ఉంటుంది. బై టేకింగ్ డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ దేర్ ఫుడ్ హ్యాబిట్ ద బీక్ విల్ అంటే ఆ బీక్ యొక్క షేప్ సైజ్ అనేది దేనిపైన డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది, టేకింగ్ ద ఫుడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ బర్డ్ తీసుకునేటటువంటి ఆహారం పైన ఉంటుంది. Let us take some specific example to observe how animals eat their food. The type of food and the ways in which an animal collects it from the food habits of the organism. Let us study the food habits of birds in detail. How do birds eat their food? Next, here given figure 4, picture 4. Here we are seeing lot of birds' beaks. Pictures of a lot of birds' beaks. No, so birds are all same. They will fly. No, they will build a nest. Same birds, but the body organ, the body part of the beak is different from one bird to another. Why it is? We will explain. I will explain. We will let us in the next class. I will explain you about the birds and about the food habits of the birds and about the beaks of the birds. I will explain you in the next video.